the current scientific model of pain, just on the physical level, and nowadays pain is perceived as something not unidirectional, but the direction of the signal, the signal is sent to the central nervous system, brain, spinal cord, but on its way it's split up and modulated. So it is kind of sent through different afferent nerves, different nerves that send the information to the body that there is a problem somewhere, which we then interpret as pain. So the signal is split, and it's not unidirectional, but other nerves sort of send back signals that modulate the signal that is sent from the point of damage, if it's physical injury that causes pain, sends back signals that will modify this perceptive signal. It could alleviate the signal. The signals that are sent back could either alleviate the feeling of pain or modulate them. Then there are genetic factors, and there are different moods also play a role, whether you're anxious or relaxed, and that all modulates the signal so much that the modern model of pain incorporates a kind of network situation. Plus, and that is also important, I'd like to add that we don't really talk about pain receptors and pain nerves, but it's perception, which ultimately somehow is interpreted by us, I think by the person, by the patient, if it's a medical situation. The ego, the consciousness is interpreted as pain. So the signal is just a signal, a nervous signal, chemical signal at synapses. But this whole signal, which is constituted of several signals, back and forth signals, is interpreted by, I think, an instance that is above the physical level as pain. Pain in the sense of unpleasant, sharp, noxious feeling. But it's not just a physical phenomenon. Interestingly, you cannot measure pain. Blood pressure, you can measure a blood pressure, it's 120 to 80 if everything is fine. But pain, you cannot measure that. There is not 17 pain or 20 pain or 100 pain. Pain is subjective, but it's very real, of course. And you really have to ask the patient how intensive is the pain. There are faces that are shown to children, and the faces show when a person displays different amounts of how bad he feels in terms of pain. And the children will be asked, look at the faces. Which of the faces reflects how you feel best? Because there is no physical measurement. It's so subjective, and different people will feel the same damage in a different intensity. And it also depends on the life situation people are just in, whether they are basically happy or whether they are anyway going through a different time, and pain will be perceived more acutely. So, yeah, the modern definition of pain tries to integrate physical, psychic, and social factors. The family situation or the general situation a person finds herself in when the pain arises.